Molweni, welcome back. Igama lam ndinguZinati, also known as Bonke Mfazi waseManqotheni. For anyone who is joining us for the first time on this video, welcome Dombi, welcome Buti. We're happy to have you. And Abantu Bam, welcome back and thank you for coming back once again. And ndibulele support that you guys showed me videos, the past two videos that we had. Thank you. You came through for the girl. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate yonke i-support enina yona kuzo. And also ndizayi-announce i-winner from the video story that I was asking you guys to comment under. Ndiyabulela kakhulu. Thank you for your stories. They meant a lot as intended. So Sivuli vlog today. It's a Saturday and kuyabanda kakhulu. I've been resting for most of a couple of days. I've been resting, ndingenzi into, enjoying your holidays nomntwanam, and yeah, akho nto ingako bendiyenza. But ke I am up and I'm opening this vlog. Ngoku we are planning to go around Midrand siyojonga ii-warehouses ezenza ii-couches that we are hoping to get a couch here too made. So we need a custom made one for a size that we need it for. So yeah, we're going around Midrand looking for couches, and one of the places that I'm certain we will be going to, which I made an appointment to visit, is Cozy Couches. I'm going there. Zikhona nezinye ilanto kendawo ezenza ii-couches, but ezinye we were not getting appointments for the day. Ezinye they were saying they're closing at 1 on Saturday, which was impossible for us, and during the week bavala 6 or 6:30 kwenye. So we just could not make the time. I'm also looking for rugs as two for our bedroom and for a front area yet. We also need that. And I'm hoping I can also get a simple one for a bedroom yesibini kabubu. So yeah, we will be visiting the couches, the couch warehouses. Hopefully, if we do make it on time, we might drive to Pretoria, or we might drive to Randburg, between the two. So indawo rugs are there. We also have one Upper Lifestyle indawo that I was hoping to visit because I've been there before, just that they did not have the exact make or design that I wanted or that I was hoping to get. So I might go again to check if his stock subway has not been added compared to what I found the last time I was there. So masithambeni ke sana siyojonga i-couch. After i-couch sibone if siyayana kwezi ragi or not. And since I'll be around Midrand, I'm hoping I can also pop into the Rehoboth. Yeah, that is indawo ethengisa eziloko ezomakoti ezinhle that uYopa plugged us on one of her videos, on her recent videos. So I'm hoping I can pop in to join you what they have, and hopefully I can get myself one or two dresses just in jam and this bulel. It's been a rough couple of months. So maybe if this rolling dress, I'll be at my happiest. But anyways, I'll see guys if it's Kati Sam Siambanjani today. With my family. So let us go to Midrand. I'll see you.
I wish I never met you. Is that bad to say? 'Cause right now it just hurts, and I'm not okay. Time keeps advancing, and I stay stuck. You're moving on, and it's hard to stomach. You're getting on now with some other girl. She's got a nice face, but remember when I was your world? Feels so long ago. all of this time. It takes a lot to get me to cry, and I've cried too much for all of your lies. I thought you'd complete me, you tore me apart. You made me look stupid, I went in so smart. My end all be all a fool's paradise. I should've thought twice. I've been waiting for time to heal me, 'cause that's what they say. But it's been a year and it's still underway. I keep dancing to those who betrayed me the most. Where's the sense in that? 'Cause I built my whole future around you. But what should've been heaven was hell too. Sometimes I can't believe what you put me through. But now you're
I am coming back from the Rehoboth in Midrand, but they are closed, unfortunately. Ndiphosiwe. I came to check i-dresses zabo, but kuvaliwe. Asambeni.
There you go, casually strolling into my life at just the right time. And as you know, I was thinking about calling it quits with love, but then you showed up. Oh, my heart had had enough of being mistreated, lying there in pieces. Too good to call it luck. You appeared when I needed, gave me back that feeling. It happened all at once, and then you came running.
All right.
Call it love, but I
How do you show them? Uzawulunga por ahí? Soleke yena? Ayinguye le besolekele ngumamakhe or umakhulu wakhe. Kodwa kwathiwa ngabantu kutheni befake yena ubuso bakhe kodwa kusoleke umama. Babe kuthiwa kondolweni but bafake ipicture yakhe.
Right after that very first date, oh, I can be a mess. You still love me when I'm so in my head, deep out of my depths. You can get real quiet. I love you despite it. You know that I care, and still when I need you, you come running, and I know that I can count on you there. Well, my heart had had enough of being mistreated, but then you came and healed it. gonna stay and never let go because they know who I am. Yeah, they'll be there for me. Oh, maybe I just want a friend like me. Like me. You're not a friend like you. You. And not a friend like you. You. I'm hurt again by something that you did or said that got in my head. I think too much, nothing's enough. Do you know? Do you care? Is anyone real out there who would take a shot from me? Oh, hard on sleep, try to be me. I get so close to finding safety. Do I ask too much from those that I love and push them away? Maybe I just want a friend like me, someone I won't have to try to read. And when everyone fades away, they're gonna stay and never let go because they know who I am. Yeah, they'll be there for me. Oh, maybe I just want a friend like me. Like me. You're not a friend like you. You. And not a friend like you. You.
Good afternoon, my people. We are back. Sibuyile eMidrand. Our day was very productive as much as it did not go as planned. We could not get as many warehouses as we would have loved to visit, but not all is lost because the main warehouse that we wanted to visit, we got to visit, and we ended up taking our decision there and there. We know what we wanted, and we secured our order. So yeah, we secured our order, and the service was fine. It was great. So that is out of the way. Couch is sorted. I had this cab namhlanje because it was a bit windy and I don't like the flyaways kakhulu enhloko. So I had that in mind when I wore when I went for this kapusi. So imini yethu iphele kanjalo. It's freezing. It's really freezing. Such that hubby just went ngoku past 4. He went to buy us a gas because we're out of gas, and we were reluctant to buy it because we were like, ah, sekuyekile ubanda, but sana, when it's late, we always regret not buying it the previous day. So I was like, I must refill it, and if asisebenzise as much as we were using it the past couple of weeks or the past month, then it's fine. Izawuhlala ikhona, so that whenever we need it, or whenever we decide maybe to bring it with us, asigoduka izawuphinde isincede. So uye apho ke ngoku to refill our gas. And ndiniphandelayo up, but it continues to distract me. Ingathi yinto enkulu kodwa I do not know what it is. So nantso again, nantso indiphinda. Let me change back to something comfy. Ndizobona ubana what we are eating for supper. But we also have a friend yakhe oqale upheka intloko, upheka I think inogeme, upheka nomleqwa nolusu at his home. So yesterday ordered something from kuye and I really enjoyed the food. So if we were lazy to cook something or to order something, then we'll end up ordering from the guy. But yeah, uphela kanje on Saturday wethu. Let us see how our Sunday goes. What do we have planned for Sunday? I don't think we have planned anything for Sunday. So I'll see you guys. If not tomorrow, then I'll see you guys again on Monday as this vlog continues, because it will not be a one-day vlog, as today was not that much of izinto to vlog. So I'll be continuing on Monday with our vlog. I have so many things that I would like to cover for the next couple of days. I also need to go and check out Indawo, yeah, rugs, because I could not get to Salem rugs or carpet in Pretoria. I could not get there. Sifike xa so we were late. Sayek and Sunday is a very short day, so I do not want us to waste our Sunday on izinto that will keep us busy, like errands. So Sunday mostly can be orders endlini. If it's not church in the morning, then I come back and rest, or lunch. We go out for lunch. Then I'll see. I'll see how our day goes, and I'll definitely keep you guys posted. So Iraq has not been sorted, so only couches are sorted, and we visited this place at Tingusukuya, also in Midrand. It's in Leogem. Is it Leogem or Leogem or Leogem? Leogem. It's these offices for rental where in Midrand most businesses use them for e-salon, for restaurants, small restaurants where they cook, for businesses, nee-couches, zisebenzisa also those kind of buildings or rentals. So we visited a restaurant around there because we were there for, I was there for the Rehoboth, and sifike bevalile, unfortunately. I tried to knock, kwabe kuvaliwe, shame. I tried to call the number. Well, we tried to call the number on our way just to confirm, but it did not go through. And then we decided to go and knock and see if they are really closed. I just did not know their opening times or their office hours. So yeah, ndiphosiwe. I was bummed. I really, really wanted to get there and choose something really nice, and to show happy as well by le shop ithengisa into ezinjani, because I've been talking about it kuye ndimrhalisela about the prices. So we wanted to go and see for ourselves, but ke sifike bevalile. Hopefully next time, and hopefully I will be able to get through to their number so that I can confirm their times, and if they're still based in the same complex, if it's complex. So yeah, so on our way back from the Rehoboth, siye sabona restaurant. So we're like, okay, let's just try it out. So we tried out their restaurant. They were selling ukutya nakhona, cooked food like umleqwa, hard body chicken. There was also beef stew, which was beautiful. It was nice, very soft, and Happy got that for himself. Bubu and I had umleqwa. So that is how our Saturday went. And thank you guys for going to Midrand with us. Such a brief day, but yeah, I had I had so many plans for the day. I really did. I was hoping we could um, visit as many couch warehouses as we can, but it didn't happen like that. But it's not a train smash, honestly. I'm happy with our choice. So yeah, phela Saturday wethu. Kuyabanda mandilungiselele nomntanami change to PJs, sizoba sihitha and watch match, because kudlala match later. Kudlala i-rugby. Kudlala i-rugby. Then there is also a match later on. I think around 10. There's also a match that is playing. So we're also watching that. And yeah, sizawubukela. Sizawubukela ibhola, basically. That's how our Saturday will end. I'm also planning to, okay, as part of the things that I need to get, as I said, the rag that is outstanding. I also need to look at other things like kitchen stuff. So when I go for those things, I will definitely bring you guys with me or with us, depending when I will be doing my shopping. If I will be doing it during the week, then I might go alone because hubby's working and I might not be busy at the time. Then I will just pop into a shop that I need to visit and get the stuff that I need. So injalo. masiyivaleni. See you guys next time. Chamza, excitement engaka. Ubaba?
I'm scared that one day you might change your mind. It don't feel right.
Can I get Chamza?
Like you and give you the key to get inside my head. I don't wanna make the same mistakes again, 'cause I know how this could end. And
Busy
they
with
always
Tata
say
Lucius.
there's nothing wrong with every
It's the
time
thing.
I feel like it's all my fault. Am I letting go too hard? Is there always
Angaphi? I try it out. Which one are we trying?
Of course, this one.
before you get the chance to
It's ready. It's ready. My son.
If you hold it for you,
My son. Bye, Putti.
you fall a letter. This one.
Ngawi. Ubudedi.
same mistakes again, 'cause I know
Ngawi.
Pull out eye.
always say that I did not
Ubambe kahle. Two hands.
Iyo chomi sithathe upeperoni ke asithange ziqhelileyo. Chamza. Happy Monday, bantu bam. Besigqibelene on Saturday. That was the last time I spoke to you. I think I was coming back from Midrand. As I said, my Sundays are rather different. We rest kakhulu on Sunday. So kasi yena secaweni. Ububu also did not go to church. So injalo. Friends, like most of her friends are away for holidays. So yeah. Namhlanje ke kungumvulo, and I said if I'm doing anything on Monday, I will take you guys with me. I am done dressing up. I just need to put on a wig. Ngoba Benin bethe bam. I have these underneath my wigs. I had to do this for a campaign, Gun Native Child, that I was doing to show how I keep my protective hairstyles healthy under my wigs. And the lady that was doing my hair could not do a needle because I wanted a needle at the time. But I said, I yenza sisi noba yintoni what you do, like whatever you can do. Because it was also during the 30th when abantu were busy with into March and March. So the lady that does my hair was also affected, so she could not do my hair. Ndaya komnye. I went to her house and sasaphuma nalo mntu Benin Betty. But ke asikhalazi, we are happy with akhonto. Where are we going? Namhlanje siya first Heshes. We're going to Heshes, Centurion, then after Centurion Heshes, siye phi? Oh, the way I hate guys uku install a wig, because I really I value my hairline so much. I value my hairline so much because I even think if umdu installs it a certain way from how I do it, then it will be much better. But and the win sana hairline yam is just so sensitive. Or my hair rather is just weak, and yes, so antandi install like for those reasons. Masambini, we're going to Heshes, we're going to Escort, we're going to at home appliances, some fridge stuff, breakfast stuff. That's what we are going to get. And yeah, Masamin.
I wish I never met you. Is that bad to say? 'Cause right now it just hurts, and I'm not okay. Time keeps advancing, and I stay stuck. You're moving on, and it's hard to stomach. You're getting on now with some other girl. She's got a nice face, but remember when I was your world? Feels so long ago, but then again, like yesterday, I'm still not okay. I've been waiting for time to heal me, 'cause that's what they say. But it's been a year and it's still underway. I keep dancing with ghosts who betrayed me the most. Where's the sense in that? 'Cause I built my whole future around you, but now you're just the past I hold on to. When I met your family, I had such high hopes. Your sister said she would show me the ropes. She said I'd learn quick and I'd fit right in. Then as soon as it started, it ended. I've been waiting for time to heal me, 'cause that's what they say. But it's been a year and it's still underway. I keep dancing with ghosts who betrayed me the most. Where's the sense in that? I've been going to strangers to sort it all out, but you're still the last thing I wanna talk about. They tell me that's a sign that I'm traumatized, and it makes me laugh. 'Cause I built my whole future around you, and now you're just the past I hold on to. I keep going back in spite of your crime. You still flood my brain after all of this time. It takes a lot to get me to cry, and I've cried too much for all of your lies. I thought you'd complete me, you tore me apart. You made me look stupid, I went in so smart. My end all would be all a fool's paradise. I should've thought twice. I've been waiting for time to heal me, 'cause that's what they say. But it's been a year and it's still underway. I keep dancing with ghosts who betrayed me the most. Where's the sense in that? 'Cause I built my whole future around you, but what should've been heaven was hell too. Sometimes I can't believe what you put me through, but for now you're the past I hold on to.
At the foodie, can
Squishy. Thank you, Susie. Masambe. Yo guys, we are what is for men iketile zethu hanana eziziqala with a C with an S.
There you go, casually strolling into my life at just the right time. And as you know, I was thinking about calling it quits with love, but then you showed up. Oh, my heart had had enough of being mistreated, lying there in pieces. Too good to call it luck. You appeared when I needed, gave me back that feeling. It happened all at once, and then you came running. Time was slowly fleeting. Too soon to call it love, but I called it the second I saw your face. There I go, falling right into your arms as if it's where I'm meant to stay.
1.7 is set.
As a show, I was still all caught up in the past, and yet you still wait. Oh, my heart had had enough of being mistreated, lying left to
Local.
feel. Too good to call it luck. You appeared like a vision, writing on the sea.
I like that one.
Let
Something still open.
but are you going to set?
We would be now,
Double set it up.
There is a
call it love, but I
The
call
big
it
piece now. I'm so sorry. Yo, can't even pass into the motor as this. Zilapha la ndikena endleleni ke masijonge khona. Look after the sense into ngayo. Masiyojonga. Yebo.
These cups are smaller.
Hayibo, kuStanley isakumali kaStanley for wena. Hayi jonga. Yena because it's smaller ucinga yakhe.
my heart had had enough of being mistreated. Then you came and healed.
Oh, thank you. Which one is this one?
Yes, unless it's when
Yeah.
mini ones. Actually, it is, yeah.
It's little me.
It's nice for Bubu. It's nice for Bubu.
Saw you conquer, being loved by you's an honor. If I ever lose you now, I'd be losing myself too. I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do. If the world ended tonight, better believe I'd be by your side. Who I used to be is not somebody new. Yeah, that's what's in me.
Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Okay.
That's what I always felt. That's why
Usakhumbula nemama ukhwemfuthi ngene nemoto yomntu and usebenza
all my heart hopes you never do. If the world ended tonight, better believe I'd be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new.
Happy Tuesday, molweni bantu bam. It's Tuesday today. It is just after 2 p.m. ngolwesibini ezintsukwini. I took you guys with me izolo, which was a Monday, and we went to buy a few things. Zendlu, we got esquazlos for mine, but did not get what. We did not get everything. Kodwa, I do want to mention Igamale shop that I visited for the first time. We have this new shop, Ingatibi City at Home, or a home. What was the name of that shop? I honestly forgot. It's something home, just outside Centurion Mall, and we went there to buy izinto zikaBubu, basically. This is squishy dumplings, and I also got this. I like Lendoman, so that you do not have to faka amanzi, the hot water bottle, but now it's the electric one. I am not sure it disadvantages Zazo because I've never owned one and I have not read much on that. So say happy appa, we bought this yesterday. Kula shop. Yabe cheap kakhulu. I think it was 40 rands. Iphuma inje inawo lamanzi and you just plug it in apha. You simply plug it in kulento and uyishiye for 7 to 12 minutes iba warm, and when you're done you just get your thing off their plug uyisebenzise, and ubushushu bayo bulasta for 10 hours, so throughout the night you can have it on. You don't have to worry about it leaking, explode kwayo. And yeah, so bendiye ndiyicinge lo ikamera kaBubu kuyabanda phaya, and I do not want her to use electric blanket. So for lento engaplagwanga and I leaky, I can put it kwingubo zakhe before she gets in. So yeah, I really like this shop because khona ezinye izinto that they're selling a lot of things. So yeah, this is a cord yakhona. So you just plug lento, and xa ishushu it switches itself off. This is the cord. So what we started, so this is what we got from at home. This is what we got from at home. It's the canisters set of 3, and they have a special that is running, and we got this one on their special, and sifune discount enkulu kakhulu. Sifune discount enkulu kakhulu on this thing. The set, guys, the set here. The Sirowa, is it Sirowa? It's the Sirowa. Yeah, I'll show you on this one. It's the Sirowa. I'm not sure if it's showing up. It's the Sirowa brand. Yeah, so it's a set of these. It's a set. Here's these utensils. Puma ezinto. So price yazo. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy, especially for this one. So I just want to show you how much it was. The normal price yayo, it was 1.3. It was 1.3. So if meaning a 450 because the glass yayo broke. So I need glass, so we got it for 450 from 1.299, which was a plus. I'm really happy with those. So I just need to find a utensil holder That's what I need to know. I just need to find something creamish white closer to a utensils, or something a bamboo or brown or whatever color. This is also what I got. I also got this Hayden kettle. I also got this Hayden toaster. I got this toaster, the Hayden, also in cream white. Then Loku. Loku. Something is wrong with my camera, or kuba kucrack I don't know. Couldn't be wrong with my screen. But yeah, I also got Loku. So nazo ke guys, I decided to unbox these later. I don't know when I'll be unboxing them, some other time, but just not in this vlog. Hopefully when I'm done with my shopping, I think that will make more sense. When I'm doing the when I'm setting them up, I think it will be proper when I'm setting them up. So I'll show you guys in this setup with the rest of the stuff that I need. So let us continue with our little shopping, home shopping, and then once we're done, then we will see the results. But for now, I'm done with the vlog. Let us close it. Sibulele, abantu bam. I always laugh when I say abantu bam, but abantu bam. Anyways, guys, let us close our vlog, and Dindo happy we might be going for this carpet in your bedroom. But ndimlindile from work, and then I'll see if usiyaya. If ufike diniwe nam ndiyonqena, but he checked if I was ready. So let's see. I might just start with editing the vlog if we are fika and he is not feeling like going today, then sizobona some other time. There's no rush. Now I'm doing all these things one by one, slowly. Also looking into, especially if there are any. So asleep now. But my dream, ngoku ndimekile ndawo nani zii-curtains. My curtains, my curtains, my curtains, my curtains. I would love to have the curtains as a right very soon, but andiyazi. But I do not know if the curtains will be a success for Glonyak, because I want the motor thing kuzo. But so I wonder if I do not start with a lounge, then in bedroom I can just use a rod. So I just need to get the rod, because Glendale Salagui, there are those white rails that we all know, and there was nothing I could do much up. So now it one as time goes is into how they turn out. But I really need to sort out my curtains, because I don't like them. Understand? But again, I love you. At least I love you guys. I'll see you on the next vlog. I'll continue with my home making vlogs from now on, and we will be doing it together. We will be having errors there and there, and we'll be making some changes. We'll be bringing in some new things, some old stuff, and this ndala. Obviously, I'm selling them home. So, ascending, guys, one item at a time, one mukwebu at a time. It works. It really does. It does not have to be a million rands that you get and you do everything that you want, because it was cost a million rands. I mean, so one item at a time. Box A1, disponible one. Now I need a boss. I'm a boss. I need a set of knives, like good knives, not the knives that I normally buy just for ungon. I need proper knives, a proper knife set. I need the utensil holder, and I need some nice chopping boards. I need quite a number of things. I need good cups, nice cups. I need nice mugs. I need nice plates. Some additional stuff, guys. It's not the replacement stuff. It's just additional stuff that I'll be needing going forward. But it's amazing though. I think the basics I've covered. Iyabulela uMangwanya bethuna, ndiyabulela kakhulu for your support, and we die down siphinde sibe lapha. You see, lapha namhlanje. Ndiyabulela kakhulu and ndiyahlala ndinithanda. Masivaleni kanjalo. I will be announcing le nto ye giveaway hopefully very soon, guys, because ndiye confused even now. What am I going to give away? Why am I giving away? I said in Funde a lot is sentimental yonke laa nto, but I have not thought it through kakuhle. So I do not want to just do it just to say it for the sake of saying it, because I promised to announce it with vlog and like I do not want that. And hopefully we'll be going to the Eastern Cape soon. So Masambing, so let's put these things away and see what Happy has for us. Love you. Asha.
I always top.
And impedance and impartial.
Maybe didn't know. And a panda and a pasta. Mama,
Yes.
aku bilang kau kesusahan nusan.
Yakhumbula. Xa usiya ekhaya? Awuyi ekhaya kodwa ngoku.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not many people I can say that I trust. Always been like this, don't give away that much. But somehow I gave it all to you. I keep my cards held close to my chest. Takes me time to relax, I confess. But somehow I gave it all to you. I complicate every situation, build up a storm with anxiety. Once you came into the equation, I became the best guy to me. Won't you stay a little longer?
Yo.
I've been
Okay.
missing someone like you. I know we're both getting older. We don't got time to lose. It feels right when you hold me. Just a little less lonely. Sounds cliche, but it's true. I've been missing someone like
Sesiye kuye kule nto ye-roads. Ingathi siyamdika. Abayazi bakuzoba i-social media eMzantsi.
Gave it all to you. None of them good enough to keep her out. Probably why I don't let her
And independent and impartial.
Gave it all to you.
No.
Hard to read when you feel
Independent and impartial.
then you do it gives me healing. You make the worst things bad.
Independent and impartial.
Someone like you.
7 meters.